Today, we are going to present an exciting and a highly innovative topic SpaceX, a unicorn company. Before we talk about SpaceX, let us first understand what a unicorn company means. A unicorn company is a privately owned startup valued at more than 1 billion US dollars. These companies are rare because only a few startups achieve such success through innovation, strong leadership, and global demand for their products or services. Now, coming to SpaceX, SpaceX stands for Space Exploration Technology Corporation and it was founded in 2002 by Elon Musk. The main aim of SpaceX was to reduce the cost of space travel and make human life possible on other planets in the future. At that time, space missions were very expensive and mainly controlled by governments. SpaceX completely changed this idea by bringing private innovation into space exploration. Through reusable rockets and advanced technologies, the company made space travel more affordable and efficient. Today, SpaceX has become one of the most world valuable private companies and a global leader in space technology. It has successfully launched rockets, satellites, and even astronauts into space, creating a huge impact on modern space explorations. In this presentation, we will understand SpaceX visions, achievements, working process, and its impact on the future of technologies. Thank you.
SpaceX is an American aerospace manufacturing and space transportation company headquartered in California, United States. Its main work includes designing, developing, and launching advanced rockets and spacecraft. The biggest vision of SpaceX is to make life multi-planetary, which means humans should not be limited to Earth only. Elon Musk strongly believes that in the future, humans should be able to live on planets like Mars, ensuring the survival of humanity even if something happens to Earth. To achieve this vision, SpaceX has developed some of the most advanced rocket technologies in the world. The most popular rockets include Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy. These rockets are designed to carry satellites, cargo, and astronauts into space efficiently. One of the most revolutionary ideas introduced by SpaceX is reusable rockets technology. Earlier, rockets were single use, meaning they would fall into the ocean or get destroyed after one launch. This made space missions extremely costly. But SpaceX changed this completely by creating rockets that can return to Earth and land safely. These rockets can be used multiple times, which has drastically reduced the cost of space missions. SpaceX also developed the Dragon spacecraft, which is used to send astronauts and supplies to the International Space Station. This spacecraft has played a major role in modern space missions. Because of these innovations, SpaceX has completely transformed the space industry and made space travel more practical, efficient, and cost effective.
SpaceX has achieved several historic milestones that have changed the future of exploration. One of its earliest and most important achievements was becoming the first private company to be successful sending a spacecraft to the International Space Station ISS. This was a major breakthrough because the earlier only government agencies like NASA, Comcast, and ESA were able to achieve such missions. Another groundbreaking achievement is the development of reusable rocket systems, especially the Falcon 9 rocket. SpaceX successfully launched the rockets into the space and then brought them back to the Earth, landing them safely. This was once considered impossible in the aerospace industries. SpaceX also achieved multiple successful landing and rescues of the rockets, providing that space missions can be sustainable and cost efficient. In addition, SpaceX launched Starlink project, which aims to provide high-speed internet connectivity across the entire world, including the remote and rural areas where internet access is limited. Thousands of small satellites are being launched into orbit to make this possible. SpaceX has also collaborated with NASA to send astronauts from American soil to the International Space Station after a long gap, marking another major milestone in the space history. These achievements show that SpaceX is not just a company but a pioneer in reshaping the human explore space.
SpaceX had a massive impact on technology, space exploration, and even global innovation. Today, SpaceX is valued at hundreds of billions of dollars, making it far beyond a normal unicorn company. It is often referred to as a decron or hectagon, meaning its valuation is 10 to 100 times higher than a basic unicorn level. But more important than its valuation is its impact on the world. SpaceX has completely changed the cost structure of space travel. What was once extremely expensive and rare has now become more affordable and reusable. The company has also inspired a new era of private space companies, encouraging innovation and competition in the aerospace sector. Many startups today are working in space technology because SpaceX has shown that private companies can succeed in this field. Looking into the future, SpaceX has one of the most ambitious goals in human history, sending humans to Mars and building a self-sustaining colony there. This vision could change the future of humanity forever. In conclusion, SpaceX is a perfect example of how innovation, vision, and technology can transform an entire industry. From a small startup in 2002 to one of the most powerful space companies in the world, SpaceX truly represents the spirit of a modern unicorn company and beyond. Thank you.